In this video, I will show you how you get great title for your scientific paper with less effort using ChatGPT. And you might think that you don't need help of AI for your scientific titles because you have always come up with them, but it will be much less effort for you because in few seconds you can get 10-20 good suggestions from AI and you can choose from those. And also consider that ChatGPT have basically read all the scientific articles, all the scientific article titles in the world, so it might come up with suggestions and styles of titles that you haven't thought of. And also it can be used to first create suggestions. You can then use it to shortlist them, and you can also ask it to list pros and cons of each title. And you can also ask it for feedback on certain title that you have come up with. But anyway, let's see this in practice. I will share my screen and jump into ChatGPT and show you the exact prompts how to do this.
Okay, so I'm here in the ChatGPT and I have already gone this discussion to save some time from you. So basically, I have article that we have published, so I'm using this just an example. So I will copy paste the abstract of the article, and then I say as a prompt for ChatGPT, here is a scientific abstract of our article. Could you provide 10 suggestions for the title? And then I copy paste it, and it comes up with 10 titles: muscle activity and energy consumption during the daily life in older adults, which is pretty nice. The importance of daily muscle activity in older adults. And then I'm giving a prompt because we have published it in Aging Clinical and Experimental Research. So I'm saying that I'm planning to submit to this journal. Could you provide 10 title suggestions? And it provides 10 suggestions, and they are at least slightly different than the 10 that it provided earlier. And 10 is quite a bit, so I'm asking it, could you shortlist 3 best titles from these? And I'm selecting those 10, and it provides, here are the top 3 title suggestions. And then I'm asking, could you provide pros and cons for each of those titles? And it replies, sir. And first one is muscle activity and energy consumption in daily life and tasks of older adults. It gives pros, descriptive and specific, highlights the focus of both daily life and simulated task, directly states the main topics of the study. And then cons, somewhat long and maybe difficult to remember or catchy, lacks novelty or uniqueness. I think pretty good title and good pros and cons. And then you can see the other ones, short and simple, clearly states the focus of the study. And our original article was very short, muscle activity during daily life in the older people. I was thinking that could one of these being actually better, muscle activity and energy consumption. Yeah, a little bit different aspects, understanding muscle activity and energy consumption in active and passive transport. That's too detailed. But anyway, I think the question is not whether these are better. I think it gives you quickly a lot of ideas, and then you can choose the best one. To come up with 20 suggestions would take some time, even from experienced researchers. So I think it's much faster to create the suggestions and then select the best one or be inspired by those and create by yourself. And in the discussion, I have also gone a little bit Further, thanks, could you provide keywords for the study I should submit to the journal? And it provides a long list of keywords, which is, I think, a little bit too much. And I'm saying a prompt, could you choose 5 best ones? And it is providing muscle activity, energy consumption, older adults, daily life, and stair negotiation. And when we look what we have aging, electromyography, energy expenditure, independent living, and physical activity. So those were a little bit different. You can maybe leave in the comments that was our keywords better, or did ChatGPT beat us with the keywords?
Okay, hopefully you found that useful. Let me know in the comments if you think this will help you save time and effort creating titles for your scientific paper, and whether you think you will actually get better titles this way. And if you're interested in this kind of videos to save time and effort with ChatGPT, I will be linking a video about how to get feedback and suggestions to improve your scientific text with ChatGPT. It works pretty nicely. And the other video I can recommend how to use ChatGPT to really save time preparing your lectures. So check that video. I will link one of them here and one of them here. So thanks for watching. Have a brilliant day.